What are the benefits of Managed VPS Hosting? VPS hosting is one of the most powerful hosting platforms that gives complete control over hosting. In Managed VPS Hosting, the site is managed by the hosting provider on behalf of the site owner. Here are some benefits of Managed VPS Hosting that make it ideal for new site owners. It is well optimized. Managed VPS hosting environment is configured and set up by a team of experienced experts. As such, it is well optimized to offer the best performance with the given set of hardware and software. It is secure. Foolproof security is the key to ensure that your website remains protected against hackers and malware. When a team of experts configure your VPS hosting security, you can be sure that it's safe. It is well maintained. Maintenance is a crucial activity that new site owners cannot manage on their own. In Managed VPS Hosting, the hosting provider takes care of infrastructure maintenance for smooth performance. It is updated regularly. As a software grows, the developers push out performance enhancements and bug fix through updates. Your hosting provider will ensure that all your software stays updated for better performance and security. It enjoys expert support. Technical support can be your only recourse in case your website goes down or gets hacked. Managed VPS Hosting is backed by 24/7 live support that's activated instantly during an emergency. Reseller Club's VPS Hosting offers easy upgrades, guaranteed resources and multiple Linux distributions. Host your website with confidence, backed by full root access, quality DDoS protection and 24/7 support.